What's up, my fellow F150 Ecoboost fanatics? If you guys have been wondering or been on the fence about purchasing the UPR's Mega Catch Can, today's video is just a quick overview of my opinion on the one I have installed and just a little bit of the results that I see day in and day out using this product. So stay tuned, hear what I got to say, and you guys formulate your own opinions based off of this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Everything Avon. Welcome back to under the hood of my 2014 F150 Ecoboost. And as you heard in the little intro there, today we're going to be talking about this UPR Mega Catch Can that I have installed on my guy. I've had it installed for probably about 30,000 miles, and honestly, in my opinion, this guy is definitely worth the money. So I'm not going to go into too much detail on how this guy works, but just overall in general, these engines are notorious for blow-by, and all that gasoline, oil, and crud that gets blown into the crankcase normally would get sucked back into the intake manifold and then just kind of recycle that, and it's dirty and gross, and I don't think it's a good thing. Essentially, this oil catch can is designed to catch all that before it actually makes its way back into the intake manifold. I'm literally just going to get right into draining this guy, show you just how much comes out. It's been about 8, 9, maybe 10,000 miles since I've last drained this guy, and well, I'll let the results speak for itself. To simply drain this guy, there's a little twist knob down here on the bottom. So I just got a clean water bottle here. As you can see, it's a 16-ounce water bottle. Pretty much we're just going to drain it out, and I'm going to show you just how much comes out. And there we go. Hopefully you guys can see it. This guy is filling up, and it's filling up fast, so I need to get ready to actually stop it. I think we actually may overfill this bottle, and that literally tells you just how much crud comes out of these engines. And it actually looks like it slowed down just before we made it all the way up to the top. And oh my gosh, look at that, another water bottle filled with just crud. Pretty much what this is just a combination of oil, gasoline, water, just a bunch of stuff which normally gets blown by the pistons into the crankcase. Like I said, this stuff is normally sucked back into your intake manifold, which then gets all dirty and gunky and cakes up the inside. And yeah, obviously you don't want that in there. So what do you guys say? Think it works? I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. In my opinion, I think this guy works a lot. As you can see, this is not my first rodeo. This is not my first drain I've done with that UPR Mega Catch Can. We are actually all the way 4 bottles filled. Each of these are 16 ounces each, mind you. So that is a whole lot of crud that UPR Mega Catch Can has just prevented from going recirculating back into the intake manifold and through the system. I really like it. I think it's 100% worth it. I mean, look, the results speak for itself, and once again, this has been probably with about 30,000 miles of use. So just think about it over the course of 100,000 miles, 200,000 miles, just how much of this crud is actually being recirculated back into your intake manifold if you don't have one of these. So if you guys haven't followed me on Facebook already, I actually posted a bunch of pictures up, I'd say probably about 6 months, maybe more than that ago, back when this engine was at about 104,000 miles. Took pictures with my borescope inside the intake manifold all the way up to the back sides of the intake valves, just to see just how gunked up they were. And those pictures were actually just taken before I installed this Mega Catch Can. So now that we just drained this, and we're sitting at about 15,000 miles, about 10,000 mile difference, we're actually gonna take some more pictures. I'm gonna use my borescope, go into the engine bay. You guys will see these pictures here now, and we'll just kind of see if this has actually made a difference. And hold up, before you guys get upset and actually tell me that, hey, this is not designed to clean the back of the intake valves or clean the inside of the intake manifold. Yes, you are true. This is not designed to clean it out. It's designed to prevent the buildup of that occurring. So what I actually did after I took those first pictures, I ran through the system a little of the CRC intake valve and turbo cleaner. So yeah, pretty much this is what I did. This is going to be kind of like a 2-in-1 video to make it see if this actually works in addition to if that actually works. But yeah, just so you guys know, I didn't just install this and expect it to clean it off. I actually did attempt to clean the back of the valves first, let it go for those 10,000 miles, and then these second pictures are for them. So as we look over these before and after pictures with this UPR catch can installed, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I don't really see much of a difference as far as the quality or the cleanliness of the back of the valves. So I really can't say that it's actually going to prevent it. But just as a quick fact, when I purchased this Ecoboost, it already had 78, almost 80,000 miles on it. So maybe some of this stuff has just been caked on for so long, even before I had it, that not even the CRC intake valve cleaner could actually clean it off. So not too sure what to say on that part. But just in general, guys, I mean, I think it still works. I think it's still worth the money because, as you can tell, a lot of crud has literally been prevented from being recycled into my engine over and over and over. And that probably will make a difference over a long period of time. And I could only imagine if you actually installed this catch can when you first purchased the engine, when it's brand new. I'd be interested in see somebody who actually did that. If you did and you have, post a comment below, post a link to your video in the comments, and if I see it, I'll pin it to the top. Overall, I think this UPR catch can is well worth the money. It's well worth the investment, and it will truly help your Ecoboost stay happy for as long as it possibly can. Alright guys, so I'm gonna keep this video short, sweet, to the point, and informative. So if this is the first time at the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button below, turn on your notifications, and definitely, like I said, comment below. Give me your opinion on how you think your UPR Mega Catch Can, or really any catch can for your F150 Ecoboost is and is working. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you think this is a fluke. Maybe it's not supposed to be this much. Maybe it's great that it's there. Just tell me what you guys think. But other than that, thank you for watching everything, Abram. We'll see you on the next one.